Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my dear children of 8th standard. So here we are going to continue the lesson Princess September, and the writer is Somerset Maugham. Children, we have discussed about how Princess September's elder sisters they advise Princess September for keeping the bird in the cage. Now we know that Princess September had kept the bird in the cage, and she said that because her mother's queen's cats are roaming around that night, so it is a danger to his life. And then the little bird also got agreed, said that ठीक है कल सुबह तक ही तो रहना है, next morning I will be free. Let us continue, my dear children. Well, just for this once, I don't mind, said the little bird, so long as you let me out in the morning. He ate a very good supper and then began to sing. But in the middle of his song, he stopped. I don't know what is the matter with me, he said, but I don't feel like singing tonight. So, the bird, when he was in the cage, that day he definitely had the food, but then while he started singing, he was not feeling the enthusiasm to sing. We can understand children. जब हमसे हमारी आज़ादी छीन ली जाती है, हमारा दिल कुछ भी करने को नहीं होता है. So the same way, the little bird did not feel like singing. Very well, said September. Go to sleep instead. So he put his head under his wing. In a minute, was fast asleep. September went to sleep too. But when the dawn broke, she was awakened by the little bird calling her at the top of his voice. Wake up, he said. Open the door of this cage and let me out. I want to have a good fly while the dew is still on the ground. You are much better off where you are, said September. Let me out, said the little bird, and he tried to slip through the bars of the cage, but of course couldn't, and he beat against the door, but of course he couldn't open it. Then the 8 princesses came in and looked at him. They told September she was very wise to take their advice. They said he would soon get used to the cage and in a few days would quite forget he had ever been free. The little bird said nothing at all while they were there, but as soon as they were gone, he began to cry again, let me out, let me out. So, children, हमने यहाँ पे देखा कि प्रिंसेस सितंबर ने तो जो लिटिल बर्ड है उसको केज में डाल दिया, ये कह के कि कल सुबह तुम आज़ाद हो जाओगे. बट वेरी नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन it was dawn, dawn, dawn means early morning. So when it was early morning, before Princess September, the bird woke up and he started shouting in a very high voice, wake up princess, wake up. So that princess also woke up. Now when princess woke up, he said, now you make me free. But Princess September denied for freeing him. उसने मना कर दिया. Princess September ने ये कहा कि तुम जहाँ हो वहीं रहोगी, तुम वहीं सेफ हो. She said that you are better where you are. तुम जहाँ हो वहीं पे तुम्हारी सही जगह है. Now after that, the bird kept on shouting, free me, let me be free, let me be out. मुझे बाहर जाने दो, मुझे आज़ाद करो. But princess did not free him. After that, the 8 princesses came. उसकी जो 8 बड़ी बहनें थी, 8 राजकुमारियाँ थी, वो भी आ गई. Now those princesses, they were very happy to see the bird in the cage. And what did they say to Princess September? They said to September that she was very wise to take their advice. वाइस का मतलब होता है क्लेवर. उन्होंने प्रिंसेस सितंबर से ये कहा कि उसने उनकी सलाह मानकर, उनकी एडवाइस मानकर एक बहुत ही समझदारी का काम किया है. They said he would soon get used to the cage and in a few days would quite forget he had ever been free. अब तो जो प्रिंसेसेस थी बाकी, उन्होंने प्रिंसेस सितंबर को क्या कहा, उन्होंने उसे कंसोल किया. किस तरीके से कंसोल किया, कैसे सांत्वना दी. उन्होंने प्रिंसेस सितंबर से कहा कि कुछ दिनों में इसे पिंजरे की आदत हो जाएगी और ये भूल जाएगा कि ये कभी फ्री था या ये कभी आज़ाद था. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ प्रिंसेस सितंबर did not open the cage and the bird left inside. The little bird said nothing. Till these princesses were there in the room with Princess September, the little bird did not speak anything. But when they were gone, he started crying loudly, "Let me be out." उसे बाहर आना था. "Don't be such an old silly," said September. "I have put you in the cage because I am so fond of you. I know what's good for you much better than you do yourself. Sing me a little song and I'll give you a piece of sugar." When the 8 princesses were gone and the bird started shouting for getting free, Princess September said that don't be silly. बेवकूफ़ मत बनो, बेवकूफ़ी मत करो. She says that she had kept the bird in the cage because she loved him. She liked the little bird. वो उसे बहुत पसंद करती है, इसीलिए उसकी भलाई के लिए उसने उसे पिंजरे में डाला. But she says that I'm not going to free you because I know you're better than you. उसने कहा कि मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा तुम्हारे बारे में अच्छा जानती हूँ और तुम्हारी भलाई बेहतर समझती हूँ. And then she ordered him that sing a song for me so that she can give him something to eat, a piece of sugar for eating. But the little bird stood in the corner of his cage looking out at the blue sky and never sang a note. अब यहाँ पे हमें बच्चों ये पता चलता है कि the bird was angry. Now because the bird was angry, did he sing the song? No, he did not sing the song. He kept on looking at the blue sky. Acha, now here there can be one question. Why the little bird looked at the sky? Here the answer can be he looked at the sky because he was longing for his freedom. उसे अपनी आज़ादी चाहिए थी. And that is why, what is his freedom? His freedom is to fly freely in the open and vast sky. वो इतने बड़े आकाश में खुली सांस से, खुले पंखों से उड़ना चाहता था. And that is why he was looking at the sky. What's the good of sulking? Said September. Why don't you sing and forget your troubles? बच्चों, what is the meaning of sulking? Meaning of sulking is to refuse to speak or smile because you want people to know that you are angry. इसे हिंदी में sulking का meaning होता है रूठना. Okay, so September said it's not good of sulking. That means it is of no use if you are sulking, if you will remain quiet and would not speak to anybody. Why don't you sing and forget your troubles? She says that if you will sing a song, you will forget your troubles. So sing a song. How can I sing? Answered the bird. I want to see the trees and the lake and the green rice growing in the fields. So the bird says that he cannot sing because he want to be free. He want to be free in the nature. He want to fly in the nature. And he want to see the beautiful lake, the beautiful green trees and the green rice growing in the farms, the fields. I'll take you out every day, she said. So Princess September said that, मैं तुम्हें रोज़ वहाँ पे लेके जाऊँगी. It's not the same thing, said the little bird. The rice fields and the lake and the willow trees look quite different when you see them through the bars of a cage. So the bird said, जब राजकुमारी ने ये कहा कि मैं तुम्हें वहाँ लेके जाऊंगी. He said that it is very different when somebody takes you in a cage and when you yourself go out and see the things. The bird would not sing a song and he would not eat a thing. The princess was a little anxious at this and asked her sisters what they thought about it. "You must be firm," they said. "But if he won't eat, he will die," she answered. "That would be very ungrateful of him," they said. "He must know that you are only thinking of his own good. If he is obstinate and dies, it will serve him right, and you will be well rid of him." Children, meaning of obstinate is ziddi, to be stubborn. Okay. So now when Princess September saw that the little bird is not eating anything and he is very angry, he is not singing. Now she knew that the life of the little bird has become dull and sad. So she was also very anxious at this. She was not able to see all these pains. So she went to all her sisters and then she asked them for the suggestion. What does she do? So the sister said that if he is not eating, let him not eat. They suggested Princess September to be firm. That means be strict. Do not have pity for him. If you will be strict, then he will come on the track. "But if he won't eat, he will die," she answered. Now, Princess was worried about his life, that without food, the bird may die. "That would be very ungrateful of him," they said. The sister said that if he is not eating and die, that means he is serving right. उसके साथ जो हो रहा है वो उसी लायक है. They meant that. September did not see how that was going to do her very much good. But they were 8 to 1 and all older than she. So she said nothing. So Princess September went to the sisters and took suggestion, and the sister said that let the bird do not eat anything, and if he dies it is good. उसका पीछा छूट जाएगा. She will get rid of the little bird. Now Princess September was upset, children. She was sad at this situation of the bird. But the ratio was 8 to 1. 8 to 1 means on one hand there were 8 elder sisters of Princess September and she was all alone. So she thought that what her sisters were telling her may be very right. So she followed it. "Perhaps he will got used to his cage by tomorrow," she said. And Princess September thought that the bird will get used to the cage and then he would eat and sing from tomorrow. And next day when she awoke, she cried out, "Good morning," in a cheerful voice. She got no answer. She jumped out of bed and ran to the cage. She gave a startled cry, for there the little bird lay at the bottom on his side with his eyes closed and he looked as if he were dead. She opened the door and putting her hand in lifted him out. She gave a sob of relief, for she felt that his little bird was beating, his little heart was beating still. So, children, she thought that maybe by tomorrow the bird would get used to the cage. So she went for sleeping. Next day, when she woke up, she cried. She very loudly and happily said, "Good morning." But there was no response from the bird. And when she went near the bird's cage, she saw that the little bird was lying on the floor of the cage and it seemed as if he were डेड. ऐसा लगा जैसे उसके अंदर जान बाकी नहीं, वो मर चुका है. बट देन शी ओपन द डोर एंड शी लिफ्टेड द बर्ड आउट. उसने उसे बाहर निकाला. शी गेव अ सोब ऑफ रिलीफ. चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज सोब ऑफ रिलीफ? सोब ऑफ रिलीफ मीन्स felt comforted, for she felt that his little heart was still beating. So why she gave a sob of relief? वो थोड़ा उसने चैन की सांस क्यों ली? क्योंकि उसने महसूस किया कि उस बर्ड का जो दिल था वो अभी भी धड़क रहा था. दैट मीन्स द लिटिल हार्ट वॉज स्टिल बीटिंग एंड दिस सजेस्ट दैट द लिटिल बर्ड वॉज स्टिल alive. So she was happy now. Wake up, little bird," she said. She began to cry and her tears fell on the little bird. He opened his eyes and saw that The bars of the cage were no longer around him. I cannot sing unless I am free. And if I cannot sing, I die, he said. The princess gave a great sob. Then take your freedom, she said. I shut you in a golden cage because I loved you and wanted to have you all to myself. But I never knew it would kill you. I love you enough to let you be happy in your own way. Okay, so children, when Princess September lifted the little bird out of the cage, and then when she saw that the bird was not moving, she was scared that he may die. So she started crying. But when she started crying, her tear fell on the bird's body. And then he opened his eye. जैसे ही प्रिंसेस सितंबर के आंसू उस बर्ड पे गिरे, उस बर्ड ने अपनी आंखें खोली. And then the bird said that, and the bird said to the princess that he want to be free, because if he is free then only he can sing, but if he don't sing, he says that he will die. So if he has to live, he has to be free, and then only he can sing. Then the princess September understood that freedom is very important for the little bird. So she said to the little bird that take your freedom. She said that I caged you. Princess September put him in a cage because she loved him, and she thought that if she will put him in the cage, then only the bird will remain with him forever. So that is why she put him in the cage. But then she realizes the importance of freedom, and then she gives the little bird his freedom. She threw open the window and gently placed the little bird on the sill. He shook himself a little. Come and go as you will, little bird, she said. I will never put you in a cage anymore. I will come because I love you, little princess, said the bird, and I will sing you the loveliest songs I know. I shall go far away, but I shall always come back, and I shall never forget you. He gave himself another shake. God gracious me, how stiff I am. Stiff means very hard. Akar jana. So why was he feeling stiff? Because he was put into the cage. Okay. So he exclaimed. Then he opened his wings and flew right away into the blue. Blue means blue sky. But the little princess burst into tears, for it is very difficult to put the happiness of someone you love before your own. And with her little bird far out of sight, she felt all of a sudden very lonely. So children, here we come to see that Princess September, she did not think of her own happiness, but she think of the life of the little bird, and then finally she freed the little bird. उसने उसे आज़ाद कर दिया. And the bird also promised her that he will definitely come and meet and sing the loveliest songs he knew for Princess September. But when the bird was out of sight, when he started flying towards the sky, Princess September broke into tears. वो बहुत रोने लगी. She cried very much. Why? Because she was lonely now. When her sisters knew what had happened, they mocked her and said that the little bird would never return, but he did at last. And he sat on September's shoulder and ate out of her hand and sang her the beautiful songs he had learned while he was flying up and down the fair places of the world. September kept her window open day and night, so that the little bird might come into her room whenever he felt inclined. What is inclined, children? Inclined means willing. And this was very good for her. So she grew extremely beautiful. So children, here we see that when the sisters came to know about that the Princess September had freed the little bird, they said that September, your bird is not going to return to you. You have freed him. But it was not right. After some days, the bird returned, and the bird sat on Princess September's shoulder and ate from her hand and sang beautiful songs for her. And thus she always kept her window open so that the bird can come and go any time of the day. And because she used to keep her window open, you can understand fresh air and sunlight always came, and thus because of these natural things and vitamins, Princess September grew very beautiful. And when she was old enough, she married the king of Cambodia and was carried on a white elephant all the way to the city in which the king lived. So, children, Princess September grew so beautiful that King of Cambodia married our Princess September and came on a white elephant for taking Princess September, and then they lived happily ever after in Cambodia. Now, but her sisters, the jealous sisters who always advised her wrong, her sisters never slept with their window open, so they grew extremely ugly as well as disagreeable. And when the time came to marry them off, they were given away to the king's counselors with a pound of tea and a Siamese cat. तो उनकी बहनों का क्या हाल हुआ? Those who were very jealous of September, the sisters, they used to keep their windows closed so fresh air and all other things did not come to their room. So they did not grew beautiful, they grew ugly. Beautiful means खूबसूरत, ugly means बदसूरत. So the 8 princesses grew ugly. और उनकी मैरिज किससे हुई? Because they were ugly looking, they were all married to the king's counselor. उन्हीं की काउंसिल में, राजा के ही काउंसिल में, दरबार में जो भी मिनिस्टर्स थे, उन्हीं के साथ उनकी शादी हो गई. And they were married with a pound of tea. अच्छा बच्चों, pound of tea is a phrase. पाउंड ऑफ टी इज अ फ्रेज जिसका मतलब होता है वर्थलेस. जिसका मतलब होता है वर्थलेस. वर्थलेस का मतलब है कि जिसकी बिल्कुल भी कीमत ना होना. तो जब उनकी शादियां उनके मिनिस्टर्स से हुई, उन्हीं के किंग के ही मिनिस्टर्स से हुई, तो उन्हें बहुत एक्सपेंसिव गिफ्ट नहीं दिए गए, उन्हें बहुत ही वर्थलेस चीज़ें दी गई, बहुत ही कम कीमती चीज़ें दी गई, और पेट के तौर पे एक सियामीज कैट दी गई. सियामीज कैट्स आर जनरली फाउंड ब्लैक. सो दीज वर द थिंग्स गिवन टू द jealous 8 sisters. So here we get get many morals from the story. First thing is freedom is important to all, whether it is a human or a bird or animal. Second thing is we should always try to keep our happiness on one side, and we should try to keep others happiness at priority. Third lesson that we get from this lesson is, हमें जो तीसरा और बहुत ज़रूरी मॉरल इस लेसन से जो मिलता है वो ये है दैट वी शुड नॉट बी जेलस ऑफ एनीबडी. हमें किसी से ईर्ष्या नहीं करनी चाहिए. चिल्ड्रन, यू नो इन हिंदी दैट प्रोवर्ब, कर भला तो हो भला, कर बुरा तो हो बुरा. तो अगर हम किसी का बुरा चाहेंगे तो हमारे साथ भी बुरा हो सकता है. सो आई होप यू मस्ट हैव एंजॉयड द स्टोरी. द एक्सरसाइजेज वुड बी अपलोडेड वेरी सून, and if you have any doubt you must mention in the comment section, and we'll see you soon. Okay, till then, take care of your health. Have a great day ahead.